place is massive. You need to see I'm doing free advertisement for them, free video for them. Like, you want more option and selection for your lights, chandeliers, and look at this one. Oh, how beautiful that is. Wow. That place has to be a very high ceiling. A very, very high ceiling. Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. How you doing today? I hope you are doing well. I hope you're doing fantastic. I hope that everything is going well for you and your loved ones. So today, I hope that you're okay. So let's go shopping. Let's go shopping for lights and chandelier. If you're in the market, for lights and chandeliers and electrical, stuff for your house, come along with me. I will show you the best place to get your lights and chandeliers. Let's go. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. This way, whenever I upload the video, you will be the first to know. Akwaba Besenayonko. Checklet. Oh, okay. Checklet lights. Hey, all kinds of lights and the chandeliers. It's the best place to buy electricity needs. You when I get to be now, could baby say na say we say. I know the share electric pole no soon. Okay, so what are we looking for? I'll wait for the kitchen.
A light for the kitchen.
The kitchen has a light. The other one.
We were saying the workshop. They want pendant lights. And pendant lights are this type of lights. These are all.
Oh yeah, the hanging one over the island,
Yeah.
Okay. But it all depends.
Robust.
No. I actually like something like that. That one, the wooden something like that. This is really unique. That's very unique.
Yeah, so put this on the island.
Okay, yeah, on top of it. Yeah. Yeah, that's unique. This is so authentic. Yeah. Okay. That's an option.
Yeah, wait my God.
Summer hat no. So, baako pay hanging up tin so no be anhwe no. Don't like attention like that. Let's say oh no be atwem one no say hey we kekeke na since no. Don't like it. It's not here. It looks just like somebody I know. Thought it was him. Ah, look at that. Look at that chandelier. Wow. Debbie, Miss Swimming Purple. What did you empire? No, that's too much. I don't like too much attention way like that. Wow. That's crazy. Where did you mention Kasabia and commercial building? Not. It's beautiful, but let me guess. 18,000. That's not bad. 18,000.
Almost 20.
That's not bad actually. Yeah, because I mean, also some of these can go. When the last time we try a picture, wait, look, I saw the chandelier picture. But this is huge too. Because once I train the Sania, there's not that much way. A short. Everywhere. And the person I the price, the wooden way need to go above that. Look at this one too. Oh, that man look almost identical to some of them. But okay. And what chandelier it's way before? I'm not sure. These are not bad. That's what I say. Like this is not bad. 40% off. But I don't like the blue. Oh, but I mean, we're one, yeah, but. Oh, this feels great. Where's it nearby? Don't you think this is too big for the space?
Oh, no.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, very sure.
They're saying 56. No way. This one, so that's nice. What's it? Black, no?
Black mountain.
And yeah, pie.
I like it.
Yeah, because gold, me, it's shiny. Yeah. This one, look over here too. I'm more way change. Yeah. Wow, I wonder how much the black and white, the black one is. What's it in?
Esta, or Vero. Vero, what's a bank transfer money?
So we're looking at this chandelier. And this one, oh, look at it. This is 2043. And then this is 4,163. Oh, this actually, so this should not be more than 7 or 10.
Exactly.
So this is 5,684. So that's roughly
$500.
yeah, no more. This is almost like
No, because $500 will give you 6,000 cities.
right.
Will give you 6,000. So
86. Roughly $510.
no, it will be around 450.
450 or 12.
Yeah.
This is nice. It's with the
Oh, like on December.
159. 18044.
oh, that's it. That's the code.
I think the last one.
That's the last one. So it's not in a box, it's a display.
Yeah, this is the last one.
So then it has to be a big discount on the display.
But they won't be young, man.
Yeah, but it has to be a discount.
Oh, yeah. So, much raw, I think.
How much is
There's
it?
there's a 40% discount.
Yeah, a lot of them are 40%. What kind of main entrance?
Yeah. Would you want something big like this?
That should probably, we should be somewhere on stairs, so I second and I say main entrance.
We bet me a main entrance. And one bet me, and we can still get the same thing at the.
That's too big. Because I need too low.
The chain is adjustable.
Or suggest
Yeah.
which may reduce change.
Exactly, yeah.
Affordability. But that's nice. Wow. Maybe something, I think One of them has to be small,
Yeah, one.
smaller than that. But these are the biggest one. It should go on at the
Entrance.
Entrance.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're at Tequila.
No, Techlate.
Technically, I don't know why I want to say tequila. Tequila's a drink.
Yeah,
Don't
that's
go for that.
Spanish drink.
Yeah. So we're at Technic Lights store. Right here is Spinters.
Yeah, Spinters.
Spinters Road, or the city is called Spinters.
No, Spinters Road.
Spinters Road. This area is called what?
Spinters.
Everybody knows.
Yeah, knows it for Spinters.
Yes.
It's 2,756.
Oh, okay,
But that's the only one left.
oh, okay. So the display, you can put it in the box the way you came.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very cheap. Cheap.
And that's the only one, not even a smaller area. Anything similar to that in that color. Because you can get golden.
The gold is too much.
The block, maybe this one, this one.
But
That's
it
so.
doesn't kind of flow with that family.
Family, yes.
Yeah. And then I saw that. I wish you can turn that one on. Can you turn it on?
Yeah. Sorry. Which one will you saw one? I trust it.
Yeah, also 2005 something. We were even talking about 5,000.
I know. I even said as much as 10.
We don't want to put this wall on our.
That's too big. Once they cover, it's like in the way of the curtains. This place is massive. You need to see I'm doing free advertisement for them, free video for them. Like, you want more option and selection for your lights, chandeliers, and look at this one. Oh, how beautiful that is. Wow. That place has to be a very high ceiling. A very, very high ceiling. I don't even recommend that house. It looks like where it's like a ballroom or something like that. So yeah, that's the price. It's 2,000 something. Like, let's just say 25. I'm not sure. I'll let you know the final price. But you have so many choices in lights and I'll produce it and go over the island.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm glad we came here because they have more stuff than AF Electrics. Oh, but almost the next day. Yes, soil, that's all.
Almost. But any bulb no, any no no they are saying.
Why is it this looks more like
No, because we almost share bulbs now. We almost share bulbs now. There are still empty slots.
oh, okay.
Yeah, I think even 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only 4 bulbs that is on right now. Yeah, and it takes over 10 bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay.
13 bulbs.
Okay, I think it's nice. I think it's
To make sure that I'm going to open every box to make sure that they're not broken. This is a display of all the lights and chandeliers and all the supplies that they have in the store. So when you enter the store, there's this big screen TV that features, all that they have in stock. So yeah, this is Techlet, and we are on our way to Palace. This is Palace Home Decor, not far down the street from Techlet. So it's a luxury for all, it says. Yes, that's their logo. Ah. The bathtubs. People are living large in this country, I'm telling you. The rich is living large. So these are like bathtubs and like granite and toilets, basins. We're going upstairs. Palace is huge. They've gotten very popular. They have so many branches in so many places. But the biggest store is on Spinters Road. So I just left Techled, and now I'm in Spinters looking for a second chandelier. I'll just see what kind of lights they have here. I'm turn the camera around so you can see. This is Palace. This is so pretty. Noel. Wow. Palace also has a lot of beautiful, nice lights and chandeliers. I think I want this one. See, that's good. That's very good. So, this is kind of matching to the one that we saw. So this is very similar to the one that we just saw at Techled, right?
Yeah.
Techled lights. But then they only had one of the one we bought. The colors are very similar. Wow. This one, actually, this is smaller.
Yes, smaller.
So that place is much cheaper. So I'm guessing this is
37.
Wow.
And that one is the same size as this.
This is this, yeah. That's crazy. It's almost the same thing.
Yeah, no, that is the same thing.
It's the same thing. So this is 1,000 cities, over 1,000 cities.
Yeah.
More. So palaces, they're more expensive. But if you have the money to, spend extra, then you can come here. But if you go down there, just do window shopping before you decide on which store to buy from. Because down the street, the same thing is it was 2,506.
Yeah, 506.
2,506 for exact same thing, exact same size. But over here is 1,200 cities more.
Yeah,
3,000.
700.
The small one is 2,500. So this is almost the same price as the big one.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do? I'm not spending the $1,000. Wow. Too bad we only had one over there. Exactly. We should have asked if they were gonna get. Do they have another location?
No, that's the only.
Wow. Too bad that's the only location. And that was the last one they were. Man. Yes, yes, and it's very extra. Wow. That's huge. I say the same thing, same size.
Yeah, the same size. Just the design differs just a little bit.
Just slightly.
Yeah.
So then I can't really say it's 100% the same, but it's very, very, very similar. It's the same, exact same size, but slightly different design. But you can't really tell the difference. Yeah. Wow. And let's see. I think the other prices are much.
Yeah.
That's nice. Wow.
15,000.
Used to an idea. I saw the exact same one over there. I don't remember the price, but I can just rewind the tape and find out what the price
prices, but this is 74. 7,400.
400, yeah.
You just get a view of everything, but that's a huge price difference. But this is Palace Home Decor, right? But then you have it, make sure there's so many places on Spintex Road that sells, lights and chandeliers. So do your research and window shopping before you settle on the last place to buy from. But so far, Techland compared to this one, it's a whole lot different. So you get more for your money at Techland. Palace right now. The prices are just a bit more, way more than Techlet. So came back to get this book right here. Came back to get this one to match the other one. This is the price. The dollar exchange rate is 12 cities per the dollar, so therefore this is $300, something like that. So this is it. I forgot to mention that the light bulbs that goes in the chandeliers are sold separately. It doesn't come with it. So I had to purchase the light bulb separately. It doesn't come with it. You have to buy it separately. So I think it requires 15 or 16 light bulbs, and it changes, it's like 3 colors. Like you have the warm light, the cool light, and the third light, I really don't know. But it's 3 changes of light colors. And so the total price including the chandelier and all the light bulbs and taxes or whatever, was 3,157 cities. 3,150 cities as we speak. The dollar exchange rate is 12 cities to the dollar. 12 cities to the dollar. So this is roughly 300 cities or less. 300 cities or less. I'll put the exact amount on the screen. So this, I'm actually going to do another video in the States and compare the price of chandelier to this. And I know definitely that it's going to be more expensive in the States. I'm not exactly sure. I have a friend who is into chandeliers, and I know the prices that she paid for some of the small chandeliers was so much expensive. And to hang the chandelier was actually more expensive. Yeah, I think, or close to it. So I'm going to do a comparison video in the States so that we can see and compare the prices in Ghana and in the US. I believe this place is way, way cheaper, but I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. This is what I got. I'm going to do another video in the US and compare the differences in price and see which is the best way, whether to buy it and ship here or just to buy it in Ghana. So see you in that video. All right. Okay, welcome back to my channel. So right here, I'm in this location. The store name is called Ceiling Fan Showroom, or Ceiling Fan like name, Fan Diego. Actually, it's called Fan Diego. Can you see it behind me? Fan Diego. So let's go in and see what they have and compare it to what I saw in Ghana and see, whether you should be shipping from the US to Ghana or just buy in Ghana. What I suggest is buy in Ghana,
know, because shipping these things can be it's fragile. Chandeliers are very, very fragile. So I believe it's best to buy in Ghana, but I also believe that it's going to be way cheaper in Ghana. I don't know yet, so let's go in and compare. This is the place, the store. Let's go in. So this is very beautiful. Ooh. This one by itself is $8.79. I think but up there is 2 something. Ooh. This here is $2,308. It's $2,038. $2,038. But it's so gorgeous. Ooh. Look at that. Wow. Okay. And then we have this here. This one is $299. That one is $2,899. Yeah. Okay. For that. This is nice. This one is $3,598. And this is this long. That's how long that looks. This one here. Ooh, that one is a bit pricey. This is $3,528. Oh, this is similar. Oh no.
This one is $1,602. So these are some of the stuff that they have at the store. This one is $910. This is also $1,607. Yeah, so you have some options. Not too many options. How much is this one? This one is $1,998. Almost $2,000. I think this one was nice. That might work. This one is almost $2,000. That's a big discount. $2,499 on sale for $800. That's a good deal. Look at this. This is not as fancy as the ones from Ghana, but look. This one is $576. So, you're going to show you the prices. Not going to talk much. I saw something like this in Ghana. So this one is $749.99. On sale for $487.49. This here, I saw like all of these like similar chandeliers in Ghana, and nicer ones too. So this one is $398. This one is $517.30. Okay.
That's me in the mirror. Okay. This is 1,000. All right. Clearly, I'm not at the right store. I'm not at the right location. This one doesn't have as much as some places do. So, yeah, let's just start with this one right here. I don't know if I have the energy to go somewhere else, but if I do, I will share it. If not, this is all I'm going to compare it with. Should give us an idea.
So this here, it's $1,259. And that one is $996.
I do understand
So
that
you get an
quality may
idea.
not be the same, but
They're
that doesn't
not
mean
cheap.
that the ones in the U.S. are better quality than that of Ghana, or vice versa. It's up to you to do your homework. I am just sharing my experience with you.
Oh, I saw something like this in Ghana. Okay, let's see how much this one is going for. Ooh, $2,679.
Came back to Techlet to buy a second chandelier because their prices are far, far, far better than other stores around here that are selling similar products. Seriously. I couldn't find the first chandelier that I bought. I will insert the picture somewhere in here. And I saw a smaller one
at a store close by and it was much more expensive. Then found another similar, like the same one at another store, which was like 2,000 plus cities difference, and it was smaller. I think maybe it was the same size, but that was over $2,000 difference. And the smaller version in another store was 3,700 cities, and the big one that we bought at TechLed was 2,000 something, so it's like 200 and something cities. This one actually that I'm going to show you that I just purchased is 6,000 Ghana cities on 50% off, on sale for 3,000 something cities. So their prices is way better, are way better, and they always have a sale going on. Always have a sale going on. So make sure you check out this place, and when you do, just tell them that Ashanti Queen sent you. Ashanti Queen sent you. Okay? Because you will get more for your money. Because I went to a few stores around here and in Medina, and this place is by far cheaper because of the discounts. Because of the sales that they always have going on. So make sure you check this place out first. Check this place out first before you head on to other stores. This way you can compare and see the difference in savings over here. All right? I will show you the chandelier in a minute. Hi, everyone. So I came back to get this one. Yesterday I bought a similar one. A smaller one, which was black and white. But today I came back for this one, which is bigger than the other one. Isn't this bigger than the other one? So this is going to be up on the stairs, like on the stairs, and then the other one is going to be in the entrance way. So this was originally 6,000 something, 50% off. So it's on sale for 3,000 something cities. I'll leave the actual price on the description box below or on the screen. So, by the way, don't be afraid to ask for a discount because you might just get it. You might get it. So, but I can guarantee that. But just ask, you never know. Asking is shall be given, so ask for a discount, especially if you're buying a lot. If you're buying a lot of lights and chandeliers or whatever you're buying, if you're spending a lot here, make sure you ask for a discount because you just might get it, okay? The yellow ones or the purple ones?
Purple, yeah, two.
Working on it, putting it together. Actually, we bought one that was the display model, so the work putting it up together is still tedious, but not as tedious as in an open brand new box. So I have the new box, and that's going to take more time, as they said. But this was an the display model. So yeah, we're home, and he is there putting it together. Yeah, and the other one is going to go up the stairs. So I will show it to you in a minute. They are working on it. I think I'm really wrong. So that's what I'm doing. That's where the other one is going to go. Once you go up the stairs, the other one is going to go right there. Yep. Hey, tedious work, huh?
Very.
Time consuming.
It takes time.
Yeah.
You probably, I look, he said,
Because yet we know. And then back when I say you're more planning, Mr. Way, they are behind you. One that depends on Google son. One paint a phone on my one way. I win that's the room. On be cleaning in here because that's not. I know how much on be you soon the basa basa. On be person on the way they found it. I don't know how you can use somebody's why and sir. Oh, baby, you know more cleaning and the way they found it. First. Hello. Anyway, hope you enjoy this video, and whenever you're in the market for any kind of lights and chandeliers, you know where to go. This place is located in Spinkters. It's called Techlet Lights. So you can go to Techlet Lights on Spinkters Road in Accra, Ghana, and you can find all the lights and chandeliers you need for your house. Okay? They have so many options, but there's so many other places all on Spinkters Road, and their prices are so reasonable. I think they are reasonable. You know, the chandelier that I bought it's around $200 and something. Chandeliers are expensive in the States, but you can find, and they have a big sale going on, 40 to 50% off sale. I don't know whether you're going to find the sale the next time that you come here. So they do have a big sale going on. You can always ask for a discount, especially if you're buying a lot. Don't be afraid to ask for a discount. They'll give it to you. But first you have to ask. They may give it to you. I can't guarantee you that. But ask, and it shall be given unto you. All right, see you in the next video. May I say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe before you leave. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.